Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody...
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? I'm having a walk and talk, talking about love, but loving yourself. And if you love yourself, you're going to love your life. I'm not saying love yourself to a point where you're an egomaniac and you're a jerk to everybody. Remind you of anybody? Not me. I'm talking about sometimes we're too tough on ourselves. Sometimes we're too tough and critical on others. But you gotta cut yourself a break and analyze, why you're tough on yourself. Why maybe you don't love yourself as much as you should. I watch golf or I watch sports, and sometimes I see an athlete that fails. Could be a golf shot, could be a wide receiver or tennis player, could be any part of professional sports or any sport, and they get livid with themselves. They don't need the coach to yell at them. They yell at themselves. Now, it's good to be motivated and it's good to say, hey, I'm trying to be successful here. But sometimes you got to cut yourself a break. And the same thing, sometimes I see athletes that they do something, they go, oh, well, I'll get you next time. Maybe they have a little more confidence and love for themselves. And that's the key word. Self-confidence can drive your self-love. And that means that you have to go out there, put yourself out there, try, and fail, because you're not going to succeed all the time. But don't let it get you down. Don't let it beat yourself up. Love yourself, love your life. And I tell you, I've had some ups and downs in my life. Most of the time, I've rebounded from them and always had that confidence, because I do always have a high opinion of myself and an inner strength and a self-confidence, but I didn't always have that. I beat myself up when things were down. But one of the motivations of creating Live Life 365 and having the audacity to make videos that it could be viewed by millions of people and accept their criticisms is that I have confidence and I love myself to the point where I want to be a successful person and enjoy a great life. But it's not always easy. I got to tell you, the past 6 months or so has been rocky, but I got to just keep pulled together. I'm out here taking a walk. I'm out here being healthy. I'm being positive, sending good messages to you, because I figured out a way to love myself, and you guys can too. And if you want more help, check out all the videos I have about self-improvement and balance and motivation right at Live Life 365 in this YouTube channel by the same name. Okay? Peace and love. Till next time.
Live life 365.